This is fucked. What? Alrighty YouTube, welcome back to the channel. We are back on the KX250 as usual, and today I got my homie Alex with me today. He is on the RM125. So today we're going to be doing some trail riding. We are at Fox Valley OHV Park in Ottawa, Illinois. I know you guys have been wanting me to make trail videos for a long time now, so I'm super excited to be doing this today. But without further ado though, let's get into some exploring. Let's go find some trails and see what we got going on. Alright, let's see how this goes, guys. This is my first ever time like for real trail riding. Ooh, it's wet for sure. It's definitely not an ideal bike to be doing this on. Alex has got that two-stroke. This is definitely tight. God damn. Oh shit. Sheesh. This is so dope. I'm glad we came out here. I'm so happy Alex has a bike. I was just as excited for Alex to get a bike as he was. Some of these are a lot more technical than it probably looks. On Alex's bike, he's really got to stay in that power band. I hope we're not doing any like hard enduro shit. I am definitely not ready for that. Woo, he's sliding. It's pretty sick in here. It rained so much last night that like the trails are really muddy, but whatever. Yes, sir! His bike sounds so good. Shoot! This is gonna be fucked, huh? Oh, shit! This is fucked. What? What did we get ourselves into? That was bad. At least we got out of there though. We got out of there. Oh my god. Look at these. Yeah, this is wild for sure. Alex, what do you think of the bike so far?
They're rich, bro.
You like it?
They're rich, yeah.
The two-stroke?
So fun.
Yeah. It smells good, sounds good.
Yes, bro.
It's the ultimate package.
The torque curve is sick.
Yeah.
Like the way the power comes on, it's like
Right. You guys are definitely going to see Alex on the channel a lot more.
Now that I got my own bike.
Yeah. Yeah, that's just going to make just for so much better content. It just opens up a whole new world of ideas for me. All right, let's go hit this little beginner's track over here. Alright, let's hop into the track right here. That felt pretty good. Alright guys, we just got back to the truck. The bikes are super muddy. There was way more mud than we were expecting, that's for sure. Yeah, like, yeah, we were definitely out of our element for sure. But it ended up being a pretty sick video in my opinion. But until next time guys, peace out.